All set now, ready to race. And the race is on. Pay to see 6A6 Madam Composita. Lake kay Manila down on the inside. Rising up is Miss Pangao. St. Mark alongside Naizen Easy. And Manila Magic is the retrailer. Madam Composita 6A Pay to see running by the rallies Lake kay Manila. St. Mark racing import by some 4 lanes by the rallies Miss Pangao. And nearing the far turn 6A Pay to see is now the leader. Madam Composita Lake Manila from the outside. Miss Pangao is racing import by some 2 lanes. St. Mark Manila Magic Nice and Easy. And nearing the last 450 meters more to run. It's still Pay to see by some 2 lanes followed now by Miss Pangao. Lake Manila down on the inside. Madam Composita and Manila Magic St. Mark. And nearing the last 150 meters more to run. 6A Pay to see by some 3 lengths. Miss Pangao is on the outside. Manila Magic down the inside. And finally, the favorite 6A Pay to see. Miss Pangao, Manila Magic, St. Mark, Lake Manila, nice and easy. Madam Composita comes last.